Hi, my name is Miss Heidi, and for today's craft we're making Firefly Suncatchers. The supplies we need for this craft are black construction paper, glue, black pipe cleaner, and yellow or green tissue paper. First, we're going to cut out the wings of the firefly. We're just going to make them look like petals, 2 of them. And then we're going to cut a circle for his head. And then I'm going to glue the wings. And kind of put them to the side a little bit because we're going to have to make room for the sun catcher part. Just press down. And that's where the sun will reflect. And then we have his little antennas. Just press down. And this is our Firefly Suncatcher. We hope you enjoyed today's craft. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.